Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I've compacted my chicken wings series all together for those who don't like to go back and forth for the videos. So here are all of them in one shot. Keep sharing and subscribing. Thank you to all of my 351 subscribers. Because of you, I continue to grow. Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I will be starting a series, 5 ways to make chicken wings. In part 1, I will show you how to make this very fast and delicious blackened chicken. It didn't stand a chance in my home and it was devoured in no time. Next week, I will be sharing part 2 of my chicken wing video, along with a second video, how to make homemade enchiladas, requested by one of my subscribers, Aspen Rupp Zimmerman. It is going to be so good. You don't want to miss this one. Lastly, I will also be sharing more information on my giveaway for celebrating my 300 plus subscribers. Thank you all so much. There will be 4 lucky winners that can each win a $25 gift certificate. Stay tuned for more details and information on my enchilada video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for all of your support. Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I have part 2 today of our chicken wing series. Today I'll be making sweet chili chicken wings. Make sure to stay tuned to my enchilada video that will be out this weekend because I have all the information for you to possibly win. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy watching. Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I am so glad that you're here today to join me for part 3 of my 5 ways to make chicken wings. Today will be herb chicken. I hope you guys all love it. It is easy, simple, and delicious. Make sure to always share and subscribe. Enjoy, thank you, and have a wonderful day. Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. We're back today with part 4 from 5 ways to make chicken wings. I am sharing my Mojo citrus chicken wings. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today we're going to wrap up 5 ways to make chicken wings, and today I'm going to share with you my smoked chicken wings. To maximize your smoked flavor, make sure that you use smoked sea salt and smoked paprika. I ran out of both while making this video, but it will give it an extremely wonderful taste, and of course, actually smoking them will be ridiculous. So I hope you enjoy my recipe. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks and enjoy. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my 5 ways to make chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed it and liked them all. Here are more ideas of previous videos I've made in the past. Go ahead and check them out. And if you want to see my ultimate favorite spicy barbecue wings, please comment below. Famous wings, and I will share that with you. Thanks so much.